Introducing the all-new 2021 Ford F-150. Tough this smart can only be called F-150.
It's H2K.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Joey. Welcome to the channel, H2K Gaming. Today, as you can see, I'm driving my brand new F-150, and this is me letting you into my driving experience. I'm talking to you guys, I'm vlogging, and we're talking about the brand new truck. Now, before we get into any other details, let's actually talk about why I bought the truck and why did I go with Ford. Well, one of the reasons I went with Ford is because, one, I've always wanted an F-150, and two, I actually got a YouTube deal with Ford. What does that mean? It basically means if you guys head over to Fontaine, Anjou in Montreal and use code H2K, you guys can profit from a lot of deals on accessories like wheels or any accessories you want to put on your truck or any other vehicles. There's not a lot of room for profit when it comes to the F-150 or like the Mach-E, the Mustang Mach-E, but any other vehicle, use the promo code H2K at Fontaine, Anjou in Montreal, and you can profit from all these specials like I did on this truck. We're not going to get into the numbers, but trust me, just head over there and use my promo code and they will take care of you really well. Now, the Ford F-150 that I have is a 2021 Ford F-150 XLT full equipped. It's not full equipped, but it's got everything that I want and that I need. I could have went, and pardon my expression, but went overkill with the accessories, and I really didn't do that. I like the simplicity of the truck, and I wanted to keep it simple, but at the same time make it my own. So when I'm going to show you the video of the exterior of the truck, so it's going to be a huge eye-opener for a lot of you guys that have never put accessories on your truck. I have a 2.5 foot box in the back, and I have the obviously full crew cabin that I'm sitting in right now. The reason I went with that is because I have a dog, and if ever I start up a family, this is an awesome vehicle to do that. And it's also a sports version, so it's got a lot of torque. It's a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. I don't know if I said that before, but it's extremely fast when you set it to sports mode, because the truck has different modes: sports mode, eco mode. We're going to talk about that in other videos, but today this is just my introduction of my brand new truck. Now, it did take me a while to set up all this stuff, which is why I haven't been uploading on my gaming channel. And I'm trying to convert the gaming channel into vlogging and Reddit recaps and basically like building desks and stuff. I just love doing that. And I want to take my real life aspect and bring it to YouTube with a twist. Alright? So, I know you guys like the gaming stuff, but the gaming stuff is only cool, too much gaming for me. I can't. I need to get out the outside of the world and enjoy life more than virtual reality gaming or something like that. Gaming's awesome, and I will always game, so it's always going to be part of the YouTube channel, but I really want to show you guys what I do on the outside of gaming as well. Now, I'm the director of operations at the Port of Montreal in the private sector for a company called Viterra. I love the truck, and it's honestly the best thing I've ever purchased in my whole life. This truck really represents me, and I love driving it. Every time I'm in this truck, I feel proud and I'm confident on the road. It's a super safe vehicle. You feel safe. The gigantic screen that I have here is just super awesome. The truck is equipped with all these bells and whistles that I can go through right now, but I'm not going to because it's not a video about the bells and whistles about the F-150. This is basically an introduction to my new playlist. Reviews. I would love to do reviews, and I'd love to talk about other kind of things, and it's just awesome. So I don't know if you noticed, but I've been kind of driving around in circles, but I'm just kind of testing this 3-camera thing going on. So I don't know if I'm going to upload this, yes or no. If you guys see this, then it's uploaded, I guess, right? Anyways, so I don't know if you guys heard of Setup Wars. If you have, awesome. If you haven't, it's basically a YouTube channel about all the awesome setups people have. Now, there's all kinds of Setup Wars editions, like Girl Edition, YouTuber Edition, Low Budget Editions. You get it, there's just a lot of editions. But I thought of a new category: Setup Wars Vehicle Edition. So basically, I can stream from my truck. If I activate the internet on the truck, I'll be able to do live streams for you guys as I drive home. Am I going to do that? I don't know, but the option is definitely there. For now, we're just going to vlog like this, and this is a huge step up from my H2K gaming channel. That's all we're going to talk about today. I have so much to talk about, but I don't want to talk too much and bore you guys. So for today, that's all we're going to talk about. I'm Joey. Thanks for watching my channel, H2K Gaming. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace out.
It's H2K.